The first thing, accuracy. People ought to, we pay our taxes, but they ought to be accurate and they ought to be fair. And I'm not saying they're unfair, but well, this deal I got right here, show you about it. One of them here that says Kim Hendren, here it is. The name on the envelope here is Hendren Construction by Brian McKenzie. He doesn't own that place. We sold him a lot, but he got it all screwed up. A bunch of these went to him. But anyway, fairness. When you don't like this, you can go to the Board of Equalization. And ladies and gentlemen, most people in this state don't know what that is. Most people up in Benton County don't know what that is, especially if they're working on a farm or if they're working in a plant. As a matter of fact, one of the plant managers up there, before I went to the Equalization Board, he said, I don't understand about that. He said, I don't know what to do. So when I went to the Equalization Board, and if you've never been to one of those, it's an experience like you won't forget in some counties. You feel inferior, you be talked down to. In fact, usually, you're sitting at a desk like this. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not how to treat a taxpayer, a citizen of the state of Arkansas. And as I was sitting there talking that day, one guy sitting across the page of the deal, and some of you know if I gave his name, I told him, I said, a plant manager I talked to just didn't know anything about this at all. And you know what he said? He said, who is that plant manager? Senator Teague, you know what I told him? I said, it's none of your business. That's exact. And when my daughter went to that same Equalization Board, they said, you know what? Isn't this some property that Kim Hendren has something to do with it? Ladies and gentlemen of the state of Arkansas, it doesn't make any difference whether it's Kim Hendren or Dismain or anybody else. It's citizens of the state of Arkansas, and we ought to be treated the same. And this same member then, so he said, you know, the problem with this, the people are just not sophisticated enough to understand what we're doing. And with that kind of stuff, and then Jonathan Barnett called me up and threw a fit. I said, we just need to look at this and see if we can fix it. See if we can fix it a little bit. Another item or two, and then we'll, Mr. Chairman, we'll let you go on to Jonathan and what have you.